Hello folks, Geraldine here, broker with the Mahood team, Remax Twin City. Enjoy the best of both worlds. We're centrally located between Downtown Kitchener and Uptown Waterloo. Extensively renovated in 2017 with an add-on, there's a lot to talk about. Please be my guest. My favourite part of this home has to be the showstopper of a kitchen. You are sure to be impressed with this expansive kitchen island, providing additional work and storage space in the centre of your kitchen. It's a dream for a busy household. Municipalities encouraging zoning changes could offer favourable circumstances and make this one worth looking into further. Thanks a million for joining me in the tour of this beautiful home. If you're looking for a unique opportunity with trails, parks and chic boutiques just a stroll away, what are you waiting for? Call me and have yourselves a grand day.